Hello guys, my name is Andrew, and today this video I will do a quick unboxing and a quick test on the Godox X1C transmitter. I will open the box. Well, the main features of this transmitter, I only ordered the transmitter because I do have another flash that has a X1 built-in receiver, and for my Godox Witstro and Godox Ving 850 I also ordered the XTR receivers, which are compatible with X1 transmitter. It has 32 working channels and 5 groups. It also supports high-speed sync. You can control flashes in TTL, manual and multi. We have a Godox warranty card. And also a manual in both Chinese and English. Well, this is the receiver itself. On this side we have a micro USB port, which you can use it for firmware updates and stuff like that. We have a PC sync connector. We have a pretty decent LCD, a wheel, 3 buttons. We have a 5-pin hot shoe, and on the other side we have a switcher, on-off switcher, and the switcher also for the AF light, a test button on top, and the hot shoe, which is a TTL pass-through. You can use to mount the flash on top of your trailer if you want to. I mainly use flashes off camera, so I don't think I'm gonna use that option. I will just power it on. Now, if you want to see the firmware that is coming with your transmitter, you will have to push the mode button while switching it on. Well, V11. Well, my transmitter came with V8, but I already updated to V11. This transmitter is compatible with almost all flashes from Godox. Ving 850, 860 with the new TT600, TT685 with the Godox Witstro, and also with the latest studio flash Godox AD600. A very common issue on the X1 transmitter, it's the hot shoe plate. It's a little bit bigger than the camera's hot shoe, and sometimes it not may secure very good. To make you a good idea, I do have here the old FT60, and as you can see here, it's smaller. I also have the cells 2. switched from the FT16 and the cells 2, which are these guys. This, I was using this to control the power of the flashes, and this I was using to get high-speed sync. And now I just purchased the X1 transmitter, which has both, and also it have a AF lamp. Basically the receivers are the same. This is a receiver from my FT16, and this is the receiver from the X1 transmitter. Physically, that's are basically the same. The thing that changed, it's the working frequency. The X1 uses 2.4 gigahertz frequency. These both use 433 megahertz frequency. I'm gonna do a quick test using my 3 flashes that I have. Okay, I already have the X1C transmitter on my Canon 6D, and also I do have here the Godox Witstro 360, the new Godox TT600, and the Ving 850. Let's check menu. Okay, we have ETTL, the metering mode. This is the menu that's interesting for us. Okay, you can switch between modes, between ETTL, manual, and multi. You can change the transmission, radio, and optical transmission. Here are the high-speed sync and the first curtain sync. And here are the groups. Well, I do have the Godox TT600 on the group A, the Ving in group B, and the Witstro in group C. I'm gonna change the power on the group A. Now I'm gonna change the power on group B. Now I'm gonna change the power on group C. Okay. Here are the channels, but I don't know what these are for. This option, well, I have it disabled because I don't have any slaves flashes to control. Here are the ratios. Now there's another mode that you can use. It's called group mode, and you can set for each group another working mode. For example, for group A you can have a flash in ETTL, and for group B you can have a flash in manual mode. And you can activate that mode by changing the transmission from optical to radio. Okay, and here you have this menu, and you can change for this group. You can change the flash, the mode, the firing mode, ETTL or manual flash. And for each group you can set a different working mode. You can also enter this group by pushing for 2 seconds the mode button into the transmitter. It's quicker to control all the flashes from the transmitter itself.